cleaned up and getting ready to start the next project. Oh, I got 2 bell peppers. I got some banana pepper, which we don't like, and tangerine pepper. I'm just letting them grow. Gonna pick those 2 at the end of the season. I put my planters up, and the foxgloves, they just never bloomed, but they grew nice and big. I finished off the back panel. I boxed in the remainder of the tree, and it's gonna love it. And I put all the bamboo in the corner, and I stood up my lounge chair, cleaned up the backyard, got rid of all the wood. I got 1 or 2 more pieces to get rid of, but I still got more wood. I got to put it away and work on other projects. So there you have it. I thank you for the non-subscribers for checking in, and I thank you for my long-term and my new friends on YouTube. Give a shout out to Steve WB. Check out his channel. A wonderful gentleman indeed. My gig user, Ohio Fred. Oh yeah, gonna barbecue some fish tonight. That's why I sprayed it, let it sit on there, sterilized. I should really paint it, get the gloss back on there. Have a great day, everybody. Have a great day.